YouTube Automation – How to make money on YouTube without making videos 2021. You already know that YouTube automation is the best business right now. If you want to earn passive profits, then this is the most trendy and viral business. All you have to do is stick to the end of this video, because today in this video we're going to cover each and everything you need to know in order to start a YouTube automation business. If you love our content, then make sure to drop a like on this video to appreciate it. Also, let us know in the comment section if you have any suggestions. YouTube automation is a business model where you can make money from YouTube Partner Program (YPP). The best part is that you don't have to do any upfront hard work. You don't need to do hard work in recording content, writing scripts, or uploading. Instead of that, you can automate everything by hiring CashCow managers. CashCow managers work efficiently and they do everything for you. They run a whole automated YouTube channel for you. With the passage of time, when you get monetized, you will be able to earn pure profit from your videos. Now I'm going to show you some sample channels which are following the YouTube Automation Business module. Channel 1. Channel 2. These kinds of channels are known as CashCow channels or niche-based channels. Clearly, if you play any video from one of these channels, you will notice that the owner is utilizing the YouTube Automation Business module. He hired a team of CashCow experts or freelancers who work for his channel. They produce content for his channel, and at the end of the day, he gets passive profits without even doing anything. Now, if you're looking forward to starting YouTube automation, you have to go through 5 important procedures that are mandatory. Your CashCow channel niche, general keywords, your content creation style and your video topics, optimization strategies. Your niche defines your channel content. For example, if you are going to start a CashCow channel on a health niche, then your video topics, keywords should be related to health. Number 1. Your CashCow channel niche. So in order to select a niche, there are some key points you need to focus on. I already created videos on different niche ideas, so I suggest you check those videos out on my channel. Other than that, you also need to consider your targeted audience and keywords. Your keywords are the phrases that people search for on a daily basis. General keywords and video topics. You need to find keywords related to your niche. For instance, if you start a CashCow channel on health, then your channel keyword should be like how to lose weight or how to be healthy. Number 3. Your content creation style. You can start a CashCow channel on any content style, like the one style you're seeing on the screen right now. Currently, I'm using different stock footages and basic animations to demonstrate the whole process to you. You can use the same content style for your channel. You can also do whiteboard animations or 2D animations for your channel. Optimization strategies. In optimization strategies, you can use different ways to rank your videos on specific keywords on the first page of YouTube. If you created a video on how to lose weight, your video must be popped out every time someone searches for this keyword phrase on YouTube, how to lose weight. The whole process is known as search engine optimization. Normally, when you start a YouTube automation channel, these processes can be handled by CashCow managers. They do everything for you, but you can do it by yourself as well. Meanwhile, your team just needs to create content for you. Keep in mind that I showed you the most important and necessary things you need to know before starting a YouTube automation business. Now, once you do everything, it's time to take this process into automation by hiring CashCow managers. They will do content for you and charge you upfront money. Normally, the creator needs to run past these processes in order to produce one video. Scripting, voiceover, editing, thumbnail. Scripting. Scripting is a well-written form of text on a specific topic. You can write well-researched scripts after researching on different forums, blogs, etc. It is the most important part because a well-researched script is the backbone of your content. The better you write scripts, the better your videos will be. Number 2. Voiceover. Voiceover is a human touch. Those days are long gone when people just created videos with text. Now, you need a voiceover for every video in order for it to go viral. Editing. Editing is a crucial step in which you determine how your video is edited and how the final outcome will be. It is an important part because the more engaging videos you produce, the more people stick to them, and in the end, you will make more money. Thumbnail. In my opinion, your thumbnail is the most crucial part of your video. Thumbnail is something that your users can see before watching a video. The more engaging thumbnails you will create, the more clicks on your videos you will get. Now that you clearly understand all the processes of your channel and creators, it's time to tell you the 2 ways to start a YouTube automation business. People think that the YouTube automation business is a piece of cake. I do agree, but it sounds much easier. But on the contrary, it requires a lot of hard work and patience to build your channel. But once you successfully create it, you will be able to scale your profits by uploading content. Number 1. Buy an existing monetized or CashCow channel and scale it. In the first step, you can buy an already monetized or successful CashCow channel on any niche. After that, you can get it past your team so that they can work on it and scale it. Indeed, it is hard to find a profitable channel these days. If you want to save time, contact me on Instagram so that I can help you with that process. Number 2. Buy an already fresh monetized channel and create a viral strategy. It sounds like a short-term strategy. However, it isn't. It is a long-term strategy for CashCow channels, and by the end of the day, you will earn a lot of money. This strategy works in an efficient way. Firstly, you have to buy an already fresh monetized channel. After that, you have to target viral topics around your niche. In this way, you will be able to earn a handsome amount of money within a duration of 1 to 2 months. Let's say if there are some upcoming viral fights coming in UFC, you can start a CashCow channel on that topic. You can buy an already monetized channel. After that, you can hire a team. Your team will create the content for you, and in the end, you will get instant revenue. But buying an already monetized channel, you don't need to wait for 4,000 hours of watch time and 1,000 subscribers. You are able to earn revenue from day 1. Use your savings to establish a new channel. This method is the most popular, but it's the riskiest one as well. However, there are certain strategies you can use to avoid consequences. Normally, a new channel blows up within 6 months, but it depends on your topics, optimization strategies, and content as well. So if you have the right CashCow managers team, you can start generating money before 6 months or even less. Normally, people hire freelancers for their CashCow automation business, but I don't suggest hiring them because different freelancers have various rates and you roughly need to invest $70 to $100 in each video. Instead of that, you can hire CashCow managers who will charge less money for a total of 30 videos. They are more reliable as compared to freelancers. If you need CashCow managers, you can contact me via Instagram. There are also other popular methods as well to start a YouTube automation business, but I showed you the most viral and the most reliable ones. That's it for today. If you would like to learn more, please check the description links as well. I also own a Facebook group where you will communicate directly with me. You can also follow me on Instagram for that. If you appreciate this valuable content, please leave a like, and as always, we will see you in the next video.